Hey Prestaholic family, it is Deja and I can't believe that I'm back on YouTube. I do plan to make a more formal video updating you guys on everything that's happened in the past year, but I did get a new red iguana hand. I literally just took it out of the little poly mailer, so we are going to review this today as well as compare it to the full hand version. This is going to be the half hand, and I'll let you know what I think of either or. I also have this stand that I'll be connecting to my desk to see if the half hand will hold better and which one I kind of prefer. Before getting into the video, I think that I'm just going to do like a quick overview of where I've been, and if you are not interested in hearing any of that, the timestamp will be left here. As you guys know, I have been a stay-at-home parent for the last 4 years, and I've documented the whole, I guess, journey all the way on YouTube, and I can't believe that we are still at 12,600 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for you guys. I really appreciate when you guys reach out or you comment on anything on Instagram. It means so much to me to still stay connected with you guys, and I think that I hit a roadblock. I really just struggled with my confidence and I really didn't want to be on video, and then I was going to do just like nail art videos, but I want my community to be able to see me, and there are going to be some changes that will be coming up this year, hopefully. Anyway, I'm trying not to edit this too much. This is just like the raw video, and you know, I struggled with my confidence, didn't really want to be on YouTube anymore. Timing was really off. I still had Jazz at home and it's hard to keep her quiet while recording, so that was another thing, and just life, guys. So especially last year, I kind of fell off with Prestaholic as well, and I definitely didn't want to do YouTube, so hopefully things are going to get better. Yeah. So I appreciate everyone that's here. Please follow along because there will be more videos coming. And again, I will make a more formal video explaining everything that's kind of happened. So anyway, without further ado, stay tuned for the full red iguana hand review. So as usual, the red iguana hand does come in its signature packaging, which I'm honestly surprised because I believe that I got the full hand maybe about a year or so ago, and the packaging is still the same. It comes with the same rings, just the box is smaller. I also forgot to mention that this hand is refurbished, and it was part of their like refurbished sale. So original price is like $90. I got it for around $50. It is a posable right hand, and this is in color Analuisa. I do have April, so the color April is my full hand, and I believe that my finger is a different color, so it will be like the lightest color that is available on their website. I just decided to throw the ring on and just like was really getting a feel for the hands. I was really unsure how I was gonna like it because I've had the whole hand for such a long time, but I noticed that I haven't been grabbing it lately. I feel like the full hand was really nice for me in the beginning. Now it's just really heavy, and I usually don't even use the thumb, so this is just a comparison for like the skin tone, and you're gonna see that like it cuts off right at the knuckles, which I thought that I wasn't gonna like that at all. But I will say that if you are going to get the half hand, then you will probably want to get the little clamps that hold on to the hand. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to put the full hand inside the clamp. It was holding on because of how I positioned it, but when I moved the clamp to the other side of my desk, it did not hold. It's too heavy. So that's another reason why I would recommend the half hand, because that full hand is really heavy. So yeah, this is how it looked on the stand. It was holding up nicely. You're gonna see in a minute that I like slap it and it was not going anywhere, and it was the same way for when I moved the clamp to the other side. So now this is the finger that I have. Again, I'm not really sure the color of this one, but I do believe that it's like the lightest shade that they have. And you can also use this finger on the clamp if you decide to get it. I believe that the fingers are like 20 bucks. So not a bad price if you just want to make like nail art videos or whatever. And that is the color difference between the two. My goal is to hopefully have like all of the colors. That way, you know, my customers, they can tell me what skin tone they are and I could pick like nice nudes for them, or they can see what colors I have and how it would look on their skin tone. So yeah, I'm just trying to have Prestaholic be super inclusive and for, you know, everyone to see what colors I have. So now I did put the nail tips inside of the hand, and as usual they held really nicely. The sockets are really nice in this hand. I haven't had any issues. Again, I've had the full hand for probably a year and up. It was probably over a year by now, but I haven't had any problems with it. So at this point, I started to really look at these hands, and I noticed that Analuisa's fingers are fatter than the April hand. I'm sure that you could probably see this in this video. The fingers are just slightly more chubbier, and honestly, I didn't even notice it until this part, so it wasn't like a deal breaker or anything. They look exactly the same, but it was just something that I wanted to point out. And I did notice this when looking like really deep into the pictures that they have online. So guys, my final thought is to save your money and to get the half hand is pretty much it. Unless you are, you know, really wanting to spend the extra money to get the thumb and the rest of the hand, completely understandable. But I do really love the half hand. So anyway, thank you guys for being here. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon.